Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. India is a treasure trove in terms of art and culture. The various music, dance and theatre forms that have evolved here over thousands of years is truly amazing and offers interesting study. Learning and witnessing these art forms gives us bliss, peace and a sense of happiness. They give us a break from the monotony of daily life and make our lives more meaningful and holistic. Mudra Bhaskar and Dr. Radha Bhaskar, the multifaceted music couple, are passionate about the arts. Being musicians themselves, they have experienced personally what fine arts can do to enrich one's life and make it more fulfilling. With a view to blend education and entertainment in performing arts, Mudra, a cultural movement, was created in 1995. Mudra, which is 18-year-old, has carved a niche for itself as an organization with a difference, providing quality entertainment to Rasikas with a fine blend of education. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. We are surrounded by music, yet most people don't realize the vast impact it has on our everyday mental, physical and spiritual health. While listening to good music can have a positive impact on us, participating in a musical activity like singing or playing an instrument has benefits as well. Experts say that music can provide an escape from everyday problems and relieve stress. Learning music satisfies the creative urge and gives a sense of accomplishment. Perhaps this is why we see music permeating into every aspect of our life, culture and society. Good music indeed has a dynamic impact on our daily life. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. We all love to listen to music and children especially love singing. It is a wonderful experience to be part of a group singing, which apart from generating happiness, also instills a sense of unity and strength among children. As a first project, Mudra has taken up the arduous task of conducting music appreciation programs and congregational singing in various schools. This has been very well received by the children who find it a very unique experience. Shankaram 2004. This was the first ever event of its kind, featuring a mega marathon congregational singing by 5,000 school children from about 50 schools, held at the University Centenary Auditorium, Chennai. The children were trained by Dr. Radha Bhaskar, and the function was presided by the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Rama 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 Sita Rama Rama Rama.
Thereafter, many music workshops and group singing programs have been conducted in private as well as corporation schools. A full one-day seminar on music appreciation exclusively for children was also conducted. Summer workshops include music as well as theatre workshops, teaching the children to understand the joy of singing. The journey continues. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts.
MAP.
Music Appreciation Program. Appreciating any art requires an understanding of its form and content. There is a general lament that audience for Carnatic music is limited because of a lack of understanding of the system. With a view to remedy this problem, Mudra Bhaskar thought of devising the Music Appreciation Program, wherein Rasikas would be enlightened about the finer nuances of Carnatic music. Dr. Radha Bhaskar in turn devised a syllabus keeping in mind the requirements of a music Rasika. PowerPoint presentations were made and practical demonstration was given to explain various topics.
Before we talk about music itself, it is really amazing to note that among all the fine arts that we see today, it is only music that has been created purely by the genius of man. The first and foremost thing, or rather the point which is of universal acceptance, is the fact that music is something which generates happiness and peace within all of us. What is music all about? We tell that we listen to Carnatic music, we tell we listen to film music, we listen to Western music. But nevertheless, when even you ask a musician, you've been performing for so many years, can you tell me what music is? It's very difficult for him to answer. Precisely because of the fact that music is something very, very abstract in its form. We'll first look into what we call as an Unjal song. கண்ணூஞ்சல்லாடி இருந்தாள் காஞ்சன மாலை மனமகிழ்ந்தாள் கண்ணூஞ்சல்லாடி இருந்தாள். I'm sure many of us went back to have nostalgic memories of some marriage that we have attended before, because songs are very, very integral to the Indian community. The question which emerges is, why should we listen to music?
This music appreciation program is the first of its kind and is a continuous project of Mudra, which has been conducted all over India as well as abroad. Apart from the general appreciation programs, Mudra has also taken specific topics like musical excellence in Saint Tyagaraja's, Dikshitar's and Shyama Shastri's compositions, Raga appreciation, Kalpita Sangeetam, Manodharma Sangeetam, Mudras in composition, Tamil composers, musical forms and many such interesting topics.
Gurubara Shivakumar
That was Saptaratnangal, a tribute to 7 great composers of Carnatic music. All of you must be aware that this is also actually a music appreciation program, one of our projects, where we try to enlighten Rasikas about the finer nuances of our music. நம்ம கலாச்சாரத்தை பற்றி நம்ம பெருமைப்படணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், பட் அதை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா தானே நம்மளால் பெருமைப்பட முடியும். ஸோ அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் முயற்சி நம்ம செஞ்சு தான் ஆனோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ ஸ்மால் எஃபர்ட் டு மேக் அவர் ஓன் Rasikas get enlightened and informed about the great music system that we possess.
Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. With a view to go deeper into the arts and share its technicalities with Rasikas, Mudra has conducted many seminars for Rasikas on topics like tribute to stalwarts of yesteryears, tradition and innovation in music, tukkadas in concerts, thalas and talavadyas, ragam tanam pallavi, human in an artist, media and music, and many such interesting topics. A one-day seminar on the topic Fine Arts, its social and cultural impact was very well received by Rasikas. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. Mudra has conducted 2 national conferences spanning 3 days each on the topic Appreciating Indian Music, supported by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Eminent artists and scholars have participated in it and made it an educationally enlightening experience for art lovers. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. As the first ever event of its kind, Mudra organized a music info quiz on music, dance, drama and cinema as part of its 6th Fine Arts Festival. The idea of the quiz was to enlighten Rasikas on various interesting topics related to fine arts through the medium of quiz. This event was further extended to various schools, and the enthusiasm with which the children participated was astounding. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. Now, with a view to give special focus to the educative programs in performing arts, Mudra has created an offshoot, Palam, which will concentrate on enlightening art lovers about the intricacies and beauty of our performing arts. More specifically, it will reach out to school children and through various novel and modern avenues, communicate the values of our performing arts to them. Already, Palam is into a marathon project of free webcasting of quality concerts and dramas for 52 weeks, free of cost. It has also adopted a few schools and is regularly conducting music workshops there. Many more thought-provoking events have been lined up and will soon take shape. Palam, a bridge connecting art, artists and art lovers. A cultural organization dedicated to educative programs in performing arts. Fine arts like music, dance, drama. All are the greatest gifts to mankind to make his life a colorful and wonderful journey. There are many things which cannot be quantified or equated in terms of monetary gains, but add quality and beautiful meaning to life, and fine arts is foremost among them. Let us all travel together in this great journey of discovering the beauty and joy of our great fine arts. This is a lifelong journey, but one which is truly worth undertaking. Join hands with us and support us in whatever way possible.
Vande Mataram Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhurabhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram. Thank you.